Headquartered in Cleveland, Ohio's thriving medical manufacturing community, Norman Noble Incorporated has been a global force in precision contract manufacturing since 1946. Today, across our 5 facilities and more than 275,000 square feet of combined manufacturing space, Norman Noble is the world's largest laser contract manufacturer of Nitinol-based implants. Norman Noble's 700 employees lead the world in the design of manufacturing processes required to produce next-generation medical implants for our OEM customers. At Norman Noble, we can manufacture many types of medtech products using our proprietary micromachining processes and automated finishing technologies. For medical device OEMs, high-tech applications, and emerging industries, there's no better or more qualified source for micro-precision contract manufacturing than Norman Noble. Some of the products we produce include Class III implants, such as vascular stents, heart valve components, orthopedic plates and screw implants, flexible endoscope and biopsy forceps devices, and multi-leaf collimator housing assemblies for radiation therapy machines. Every customer project at Norman Noble is completed with a high focus on quality. Our quality system is registered to ISO 13485, the international standard for medical devices and implants. Led by our quality, document control, and validation departments, we offer our customers verification testing and full process validation services in accordance with FDA requirements. Our vertically integrated operations include a slate of custom and proprietary manufacturing capabilities. To begin, our laser machining department is made up of 130 proprietary laser cutting and welding machines that include an array of NDA, fiber, and Noble Stealth, our athermal has-free laser technology. Our validated Nitinol shape-setting capabilities are one of the most advanced in the world, with extensive fluidized bed capacity and a full array of test equipment for verification of material properties. In our Swiss turning department, 60 of the newest Swiss turning machines enable turning and milling in a single machine to produce a finished part in one operation. Our Noble SynchroFlash technology is an innovative manufacturing capability which synchronizes the individual processes of laser cutting along with Swiss turning and contour milling into a single validated machine, providing fully machined parts with the highest quality and lowest cost. We perform CNC milling with 5-axis and 7-axis milling capabilities to machine a 6-sided part complete. Our electrical discharge machining department includes the newest wire and sinker EDM technologies and electrode manufacturing equipment. We also provide mass finishing services, including automated CNC blasting, automated rotary tumbling, chemical etch pickling, automated electropolishing, fully automated passivation system in accordance to ASTM A967, ASTM F86 and AMS 2700, and a fully automated and validated 5-tank final cleaning system in accordance to ASTM specification F3127. Norman Noble is a global leader in the automated manufacturing of all types of vascular implants made from Nitinol, including stents and devices for cardiovascular, heart valve components, peripheral, AAA, and neurovascular products. Norman Noble has the experience and the capabilities to manufacture implants from all material types, including Nitinol, cobalt chrome, stainless steel, and bioabsorbable materials. Our vascular implant manufacturing capabilities include automated laser machining systems, automated shape-setting systems, over 30 automated electropolishing systems, and over 30 automated dimensional inspection systems that can provide thousands of measurements for each and every stent we manufacture. This inspection capability also includes 5-axis fine scan for barbs, flared, or twisted geometry on next-generation stents and heart valve frames. Our newest vascular implant manufacturing technologies include the use of our Noble Stealth system, a HAZ-free athermal laser process that produces stents and implants from metals like Nitinol or from bioabsorbable polymer materials. With a full palette of vascular implant manufacturing services, from laser machining to clean room packaging and everything in between, we can take your medical implants from prototype through full product launch. Norman Noble is a world-class contract manufacturer of orthopedic implants and devices for spine, trauma, extremity, and maxillofacial applications. Our 7-axis contour milling and Swiss turning equipment and expertise enable us to manufacture screw and plate implants complete from a single machine. We also offer in-house anodizing capabilities for titanium-based implants to provide complete finished parts. Our assembly and packaging services department includes an ISO Class 7 cleanroom, which is used for assembly and packaging of sensitive micro-machined implants and finished devices. We also use temperature-controlled secure assembly rooms for post-sterile barrier packaging and labeling of finished products. Norman Noble strives to bring your product to market efficiently and effectively. We partner with many of our customers through supply agreements, lean cell manufacturing agreements, and vendor-managed inventory programs to provide a true partnership, ensuring the highest level of efficiency and continuity of supply. When you choose Norman Noble to produce your medical implants or critical components, you choose a start-to-finish manufacturing partner. We work closely with our customers' product design engineers to conduct design for manufacturability cost analysis. We also utilize the newest 3D additive manufacturing technologies and CT inspection scanning capabilities to support process development activities. Prototype parts are produced at our dedicated independent process development centers. In these laboratory environments, our experienced teams of engineers develop and validate custom manufacturing processes. We also offer on-site rapid development prototyping, which provide our customers the opportunity to visit our facilities and work with our engineering teams while we fabricate Nitinol-based prototypes in a few days. This capability enables our customers to perform prototype testing quickly, helping them get next-generation implants to market fast. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Norman Noble. We look forward to the opportunity to help you meet your goals and achieve success.